This is my go-to vinaigrette in the winter, especially on any salad made with bitter greens like arugula. It's also great in the summer, drizzled on a piece of grilled fish. I love this dressing for its flexibility. While I'll opt for champagne vinegar, you can also use almost any light-colored vinegar, like white wine vinegar, apple cider vinegar, or even rice vinegar to do the trick. We first drizzled this honey citrus champagne vinaigrette on an apple manchego salad. Look in the caption below for the recipe, as well as to go to the link on ourtablefor2.com. Don't forget to follow me, subscribe. Thanks.